that search bar you see at the top left, type in anything. In this case, 14 Honda Accord. It will populate with every connector for a 14 Honda Accord. Same thing, VIN number, you could type in the VIN number and it will populate with all the connectors for that VIN. Spanish as well. You can type in Spanish verbiage and it will understand and populate that, as well as how-to videos, how to repair, how to replace, how to return a connector. Anything you want, that search bar is your #1 resource to find what you're looking for. Let's go back to Honda. In this case, Honda Accord, fog lamp. Even if you abbreviate it or misspell it, it should populate with the accurate results you're looking for, and your return search page will look something like this. Boom. All of the 2014 Honda Accord connectors.